Oh, hey there. You probably see me on my phone, think I'm messing around, but I'm actually making money. And in this video, I'm going to show you 8 ways that you can make money on this thing. Just mess around on your mobile phone from almost any country in the world. The 8 methods of earning money are going to be surveys, taking surveys on your phone to make money, saving receipts and earning money, getting cash back, Bitcoin mining, testing apps to make money on your phone, playing games on your phone to make money, watching ads to make money, and selling products, all from this little thing. You can turn this into a beautiful little cash machine, and I'm going to show you how. Stay tuned. Hey, so John Crestani here, and I'm excited to talk to you about this. I've been working online for years, made millions of dollars, and if you are excited to learn about these ways, guys, smash that subscribe button because I'm going over ways you can make money all day long, and hit those notification bells because that way you'll get tune of my live streams where I'll go over sometimes more things and just stuff that's going on around. So let's check out the first way to make money on this device, which is taking surveys. And one of my favorite sites for that is Feature Points right here. So you can check that out. Feature Points, it's an app you can download on the iPhone store or the Google Play Store right here. And I'm on the desktop side of this, but basically you can make money and earn rewards from taking surveys on your phone. And once you sign up, you can get rewards such as, they'll give you gift cards for Amazon, Steam, PlayStation, Xbox, or you can simply get cash payouts to your PayPal account, making it very easy to earn money no matter where you are in the world. But you will need either a PayPal account or you can get free money to spend on these different sites. Second method is saving receipts, being responsible, never paid better. So this site is called ReceiptHog.com. If you can see it up here, it's ReceiptHog.com. And let me spell that out for you. Okay, there we go. I spelled it out, Receipt Hog. And basically you take pictures of your receipts and you earn money. And once again, this app is on the iPhone store and the Google Play Store. So no matter whatever device you have, you can download it, just search for it. You can earn cash, okay, just by taking a picture of your receipt. Take a picture of your receipt. You can get bonuses, and you can redeem those coins or the receipt points for prizes. Now, the way it works is each receipt you get is worth something like 10 points. So I think it's not a lot of money. I think each receipt you take a picture of is about 5 cents, something like that. But you still earn money, and it's a very easy way to earn extra money taking pictures of receipts. Now, I'm not sure if you can actually go around and take pictures of other people's receipts, but that would be really cool. I haven't used it much because, frankly, I'm a millionaire, but I'm sure you could find ways to really make a lot of extra money with that. The next thing is you can earn cash back on purchases that you're already making. So if you're already buying stuff, in your everyday life, whether that's, diapers, or you're buying, towels or tablecloths or whatever, you can earn cash back on your everyday purchases with an app called Ibotta or Ibotta. I'm really bad at pronunciation. But right there, and you can download that on your phone and use it to make money, and you can get cash back at more places instantly. So instead of buying online from, going directly to the site, you can basically earn cash back from all your favorite retailers here. And kind of how Ibotta works is they're what I call a super affiliate. So they have these are all companies that have affiliate programs, and Ibotta is simply making money because you're buying through them, and they get the referral commission, and then they pass along some of that affiliate fee over to you. Let's check out how much money. So they've paid out $526 million has been paid back to savers and counting. So that's huge. Okay, and you can get paid through PayPal, or you could get Amazon gift cards with Ibotta. So that's a huge amount of money. Okay, so I bought a new freezer to put on all the food I'm saving money on. Okay, So you got lots of ways. It's on Google Play and the Apple App Store. Easy, easy, kind of dead simple, right? Now this next one is actually pretty interesting. Now, it's a little controversial, but this is Bitcoin mining. Now, if you don't know about cryptocurrencies and whatnot, they're kind of the new big thing. It's the new way of where, Facebook's releasing a cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is arguably the future of all currency. The way Bitcoin and all these other cryptocurrencies are kind of supported is not through a central bank, but it's through the computing power of our computers. And this little thing is a computer, and you can use the spare power on this to actually support Bitcoin and create Bitcoins for yourself and make real money. So unfortunately, this is only available on Android devices because the Apple Store has banned all cryptocurrency mining apps. But this is an app called BTC Safari right here. You can see right here. It's a free app which you can use to install on your Android device and use it when you're not using your phone. It can mine Bitcoins for you and make you money while you're not using your phone. Really easy, right? Really simple way to make money and really start earning Bitcoin. And there are mining apps for Android devices, but this is the one that I've heard has the best reviews. Pretty cool. The next method is testing apps. All software companies need people to test their apps. There's thousands of apps on the App Store, and they work differently on every different phone. So you can be one of those testers to go through an app and actually see if something doesn't look right, or if there's a bug, or if you click on a button and it doesn't do what it's supposed to do. So the app I recommend for making money by testing other apps is called User Testing. And basically, you'll download and install their app and test other people's stuff. And you get paid to test right here. See, get paid to test. Now, you have to sign up. There's a sign-up process, but you can earn up to $60 per test. Again, a lot of the tests, they're looking for particular demographics. They want to see you have a certain type of phone. They want to see you be a certain age. But there's thousands and thousands and thousands of tests because there's thousands and thousands and thousands of things that people, apps or websites that people want to try out. Now, user testing, you can actually make money not just on your mobile phone, but you can make money on your computer as well by testing different websites or testing all sorts of different things, software, etc. So this is a great place you can go to earn money for testing, whether you're on your phone or you're on your computer. Man, you want to play games and make money? Well, it's actually, I love playing games, but you can make money doing it. And I don't know how much money, to be honest, because I haven't done this. I have a business and I'm too busy to play games. I imagine you can't make that much money, but regardless, if you have spare time and you're sitting on the toilet, you can make money playing games. Here's an app on Android that allows you to make money playing games called Play. You get gift cards, money, or virtual rewards playing these games. Now, of course, getting gift cards and free money is fantastic. There are a lot of good reviews on this app. As you see, it's overall positive, which means people are earning money and they're paying out, and this is not a scam. There are some scams out there that'll say, you can make money playing games, but they never pay out. But this is one of the legitimate ones, and if you want to use this, check it out. Now, the last two ways you can make money are watching ads and selling products. And the one you can make the most money on is probably selling products, but we're going to get to that in just a second here. I'll show you how. So S'more Cash, which you should see on my screen right here, is a way you can earn cash rewards simply by having ads show on your screen. So what this does is you install this app and basically you get more ads. Your lock screen becomes an ad, your home screen becomes an ad. You get more ads on your phone, and frankly, it's going to get pretty annoying. I have not tried this out, but what's exciting is you make money, okay? So if you're broke, you just want to get paid, you can do this and get some money. I'm not sure if this is on Android yet, but overall, there are quite a few positive reviews, and you can read the rest of the reviews, but it's overwhelmingly positive, which means people are making money. Otherwise, they wouldn't be doing that. And last but not least is a great way to make money, which is selling items. If you have junk lying around your home, here's my money gun. You know, if you have stuff that you don't want, you can actually sell those items on eBay. You can download the eBay app and simply just take pictures of things that you don't want. So check that out. It's a very easy way to make money. Another easy way to make money with the eBay app is you can go around. If you have friends or family members who have stuff that they're not using and they'd like to earn money from it, you can make a deal with them and you can say, hey, let's do 50-50. I sell the product for you. I'll give you 50% of whatever I sell it for and I keep 50%. Very even thing. You say, I take care of all the work and you let me sell it. That's a great deal to make, and you can go around your neighborhood and just sell junk that people that aren't using anymore and make money from it. No risk to you. Who knew this could be so lucrative? There's lots of ways to make money online, but you just have to start somewhere. And if you're watching this video, keep in mind, you're not going to make any money watching this video unless you actually go out there and take action and put one of these things into use. And also keep in mind, a little slight warning here. All of these methods, with the exception of the very last one, are not necessarily going to make you financially free. They're only going to earn you a little extra income on the side. If you want to start a real business and do online work or play around on your mobile phone for a living, then what you need to do is you need to find a scalable business that you can grow and expand. Now, selling products and finding a scalable way to get people and sell their products on eBay can be one of those methods. But if you want to start an internet business and go beyond that, check out some of my other trainings. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell, like this video, and watch some of my other videos that I do because I discuss to people how to make money online. I've made millions of dollars myself per year online, and I'll show you how to as well. And please let me know in the comments which of these methods you found the most interesting. Was it taking surveys on your phone, doing receipts, getting cash back, Bitcoin mining, testing apps, playing games, watching ads, or selling products from your phone? Which one did you find most interesting? Put it down in the comments below. Love to see your interaction. Love to see what people liked the best. Talk to you soon.